Hi everybody, and welcome back to part 3 on how to build a professional WordPress site. So last time we were on part 2, I basically ran out of time and we were in wp-config.php. Now, just in case you skipped part 2, I'm just going to quickly just go over here, and I'm going to show you that I was in the public underscore HTML folder, and we found wp-config.php. We clicked on it and we clicked on code editor. So it opened up a new page, and we're here in the code editor. What we want to do is we want to find line 62. It doesn't really matter what line, but it matters because here it says other customizations. As you can see, it's in the gray. Anything that you see in gray in this page is a comment and is not valid code. Everything else is code. So what we want to do is do not put the cursor anywhere between this code. Just put it right after the semicolon here in line 62. And click enter a couple of times and just go with your cursor, go up and find the center, as you could see here in baby blue. Highlight it, and what you want to do is you want to put a comment, just like the comments that you see over here. So we're going to go / star, okay, and then we're going to type in the comment, and we're going to put WP, okay, increase, okay, WP memory limit, okay. So basically, to close this comment, we gotta put star again and /. That's all. So it's star, so it's / star comment and then star / and then you go enter. And so, whoa, they said they want. Okay, so we were over here and system status with Avada. Okay, Avada system status, and we have 40 megabytes, right? So 40 megabytes. Just in case you're wondering how you got here, you just click on Avada here, and we click on system status on the tab on the right, and you scroll down, and we have an issue, the memory limit. We cannot import demo content without getting rid of these red errors. So we have 40 megabytes, and they want at least 128, and to import classic demo data, you need 256 megabytes. So we need to change it to 256. So over here, we added a comment, okay? We added a comment, and we're gonna start putting the code now. So we're gonna put in define. Actually, you can just copy and paste this, but I'm gonna zoom in just to show you. So define, and let's put in, so WP memory limit. Oops. Oh god, it'd be nice to get this right. Okay, so WP memory limit, we want to add, so in comma. Okay, so that's 256, right? So 256 megabytes. Okay, I'm gonna put semicolon to end it. And so I'm gonna zoom out, and then you wanna click on Save Changes. So when we come back to system status here on our WordPress site, in the admin console on system status, you click on refresh, and that should be changed. It should be changed to 256. Oh, great. So as you can see here, it's changed to 256. This is really great. So let's tackle the next error. The next error we have is 1,000 max input vars, because by default with GoDaddy, you see Apache 2. We're using 2.2 here in our case. You know, it really sets the max input vars to 1,000. So we want to change that to 3,000. Let's change it to 3. You can change it to 5,000 if you want. But let's just change it to 3,000 using a PHP.ini. So in the PHP.ini, we don't have a PHP.ini file here, so we need to make one. But the problem is that with shared hosting, it gets overridden when we're using 5.6, PHP 5.6. I don't know why. I don't know how they configured that, but I guess that's we're gonna have to look into the documentations. But you can override the PHP.ini that you have in your shared hosting. So what you want to do is, because they don't give you one, right? And we can create one, PHP.ini, but it doesn't really work sometimes. And sometimes it does, depending on the PHP version we have. But we're running 5.6 right now. So what we want to do is we're going to create, so first of all, you're in the public underscore HTML, okay, directory, right here. That's where we are. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to create file by going in the top left corner, click on file, and over here it's going to prompt you the name. So first of all, this is what you do. I'm going to zoom in. So you're going to put dot user, okay, dot ini. Okay, that's all you got to do. And as you can see, this is the inside the public underscore HTML directory. We're going to click on create new file. So now we have our .user.ini. So we're going to click on the icon on the left. We're going to click on code editor, and let's change. Let's put in. Okay, so on the first line here, all we got to do is put in max underscore max input vars. Yeah, input underscore vars equals 3000 and semicolon, and click on save changes. And when we come back to system status over here and we click on refresh, that should be changed to 3000, but it's not. Okay, and I wonder why. Perhaps we have to wait. No, we don't have to wait. We have issues. Okay, let's close this first. We have issues. I don't know why this is not working right now, because the user.ini should override the php.ini with shared hosting. But I believe that. All right, so let's. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so in case I had it right the first time. So in case you have issues like this, what you want to do is you want to come back to GoDaddy. Okay, we'll close this. This is correct. We did it right. We want to come back over here to GoDaddy and in the cPanel, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way down, and you want to find select PHP. No. We want to find PHP processes. You want to kill the processes, okay? Because sometimes when you do changes like this, and you just gotta wait for it to reload, you want to restart Apache, and we're in shared hosting. So okay, so kill processes. Okay, click on the kill processes. All right, so that should kill all the processes, and it's gonna refresh, and we'll come back, click back to home, and let's come back here to system status and click refresh again. Oh, perfect. So we have instant gratification and we are good to go. Everything is looking great. So we have changed our PHP Max Input Vars. We have no errors. In case you're wondering why we have 300 here, if you're not getting 300, and you know what? I should have told you this from the beginning. In case you have like some other weird number and it's like in the red, please come back to cPanel here. Scroll all the way down, okay? And what you're going to do is you will find the PHP version. Select PHP version. You want to click on that. And of course, you can also do these changes in the php.ini, in the users, in the .users.ini. Oh, anyway, but we can also do it over here. So you want to click on switch to PHP options in the top right corner here. And it will redirect you to the options. And of course, I think when I first got the cPanel account, this was 180, the max execution time. And this was 180, and this memory limit was like 64 or something like that. So yeah. So anyhow, over here, this is how it looks like. So you can just pause it and change it. And I'm going to end this video now because I'm out of time, and I will create one more video to show you how to install the demo. Okay? So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll do a part 4, I suppose. All right? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.